Okay, normally I wouldn't let my car sit out in the rain like this, but this morning about 4 in the morning I finished the second coat of the ceramic graphene paste wax after about 36-hour cure time for the first coat. And since I had to go for a drive anyway and it started to get rained on, I wanted to show the effects that water has on the paste wax. Now I am going to walk out into the rain so you can get a good look. You can see how tight it's beating, how fast it's running off. I also did the windshield. And you can see here on the roof, and it's raining pretty good now, just how fast and how well it's beating. That's enough for me. I'm getting soaked. Okay, out of the rain now. It's back in the garage. And I can take a little bit longer video. But you can see just how tight these beads are on the hood. And running down the fenders, as well as the windshield, the roof, side windows were also covered. All in all, for a second coat, 36 hours after the first coat, it's pretty impressive.